Okay, welcome to another episode of Kamado Cooking UK. It's been, we'll come up for a month since I've done the last video, just before Christmas, so we're starting back again now for 2023. Today we're going to be doing some beef shin. So there we go, so this is the front or rear portion of the leg. It's a working muscle, so it's going to be quite tough, so it needs to be braised, but we're going to smoke this first. So we're going to give it a couple of hours, hour and a half, 2 hours of a nice cherry smoke we're going to put on a nice cherry smoke we're going to put on that. I've just set up the Kamado outside. I'm going to go and light that now, and then we'll come back in and start just prepping up this beef. We've not got to do too much to it, but let's go and light the Kamado first. Right, here we go. So open the bottom vent up. Now I've put a bit of our cherry wood. I've said cherry, but I'm using apple actually. It's not cherry. I've just realised I've got to get some more cherry, so it's apple we're using today. So I've buried that a little bit under there. A couple of fire starters. So we're using the Joe Junior. Just going to light a couple of these up. Like so. My other quick fire lighter has stopped working, so I'm reduced to using one of these at the moment, which is not brilliant, but it will do for now until I can get something to replace it. So we'll let that go, and we'll let that get up to a nice temperature. I'm looking to cook today for the smoking part at about 130, 140 Celsius. Okay, so there's the rub on top, and that's all we need, nothing much at all. Cut these quite thick. You don't want them too thin because they're going to be in the casserole for 3 hours. Okay, so that's all ready to go on. I haven't put any wine in yet. Once this comes up to temperature and it's been cooking for half an hour or so with the meat in, that's when I'll add the wine. So right, let's go and keep an eye on the beef shin. So there we go. That's been on long enough. So what I'm going to do now is take these off. And drop them in. To my casserole pot, which is next. Right, and this is a little bit low, so I'm going to just top that up a little bit with some hot water, so that that's all submerged. And then we'll put our red wine in.